You want to visit Efteling, but where to stay? In this video of Dutch Theme Park Network, we compare an on-property Efteling hotel, the on-property hotel of Safari Park Beekse Bergen, and an off-site hotel. Where to stay? We tell you in this video. Let's dive in. The Efteling actually has 3 hotels and different styles of cottages on property. We stayed at the one closest to the park, known as Efteling Hotel. This hotel opened in 1992. It is a 4-star hotel with 124 rooms and 22 suites. The Beekse Bergen is a safari park zoo and resort, and it's a 20-minute drive from Beekse Bergen to Efteling. You can also travel between them with public transportation. They recently opened a 4-star hotel with 112 rooms in addition to the cottages they already had. In 2018, a 4-star hotel opened that is located between these 2 parks. This Van der Valk hotel has 150 rooms. We stayed at all 3 hotels within 1 week, and we will tell you which one is the best. We are going to rank them on 7 topics: room, theming, perks, breakfast, check-in and check-out, pool and price. First of the room. The independent Van der Valk Hotel and the Safari Park have the biggest rooms. Safari Park also has a large covered terrace where you can sit outside. Efteling Hotel and Van der Valk didn't have any private outdoor space. Van der Valk and Safari Hotel have the toilet separated from the bath and shower. This is a big plus for us. Not only is the room at Efteling smaller, it has no bath and a very small and kind of uncomfortable toilet in the bathroom. Then over to the beds. The independent hotel had a king-size bed. In Beekse Bergen Resort we had a 5-person room. This means we had a king-size bed, a bunk bed and a single bed. In the Efteling there were 2 queen-size beds. This means you could stay in this room with up to 4 people. But how are the beds? Overall we think all beds are fine, but we liked the beds at Efteling best. It's a firm and comfortable bed. The Beekse Bergen has a very soft bed and the independent hotel has a hard bed. So whatever suits you, fancy there. All hotels have a mini fridge, hairdryer and a safe in the room. Also all hotels offer complimentary coffee and tea. We like the coffee best in the Safari Hotel. Not only was this the best coffee, it also was served in a stone cup. The worst was the coffee at the Efteling. This was instant coffee and the taste wasn't that well. All in all, the new Safari Park Hotel won for us because of the terrace with the view and the coffee. The view is extraordinary. We mean, the view up high is nice, but nothing beats the savannah. This combined with a bigger room, the bed and the bath with separate shower and the terrace is what won for us. But honestly, we would go back to all 3 hotels. They are all fine. Now, theming is a different story. The independent hotel had a fun fair theme. The Tilburg Fun Fair is the biggest event in the region. Check out our video about it if you want to know more. But overall this was nothing more than some murals. Of course the Safari Park Resort had the savannah, but inside the room there was little theming. The closets and the art in the room were in an African theme, but all very subtle. The Efteling Hotel room was stacked with little tidbits to discover. For example, the bins are themed like the 7 Mile boots. In the closet you can find the red dancing shoes and there was even a mouse to discover. Furthermore, in Efteling you can meet some characters of the park during breakfast and the mascot, Pardoes, is known for mischief in the hotel. He was playing with the lights in the bar, turning them on and off all the time, was throwing chocolates towards some children and even more. This was a lot of fun to watch. The Efteling definitely win on theming. Up to the perks. At Efteling you are able to access the park and a handful of rides 30 minutes before park opening. Now this is a big one, because on busy days this will give you a head start and let you ride park favorites like Baron without any queue. The entrance tickets are also included in your stay. This is also the case at Safari Park Beekse Bergen. The entrance tickets are included on your stay and you can enter the car safari 30 minutes early. This will mean it is more quiet, but it's less exclusive than having Efteling rides basically for yourself for 30 minutes. The independent hotel has no perks. It has the option to buy tickets for these parks at a lower price, but no early admission or other perks here. The breakfast is included in all three hotels. And all three are good, but the Safari Park does win here. It is a champagne buffet with lots of fresh fruits, really good savory and sweet options, cheese and so much to choose from. Van der Valk also had a good breakfast, but less options, and at Efteling even more so. It was good, but there was little to choose from, and a big letdown at Efteling was that the orange juice was not fresh. This was the case at the other two hotels. The earliest check-in was at Van der Valk. We could check in at 2 o'clock. The Beekse Bergen was available at 3 o'clock and Efteling was ready at 4 o'clock. We had to leave the Van der Valk and Beekse Bergen at 11 o'clock and the Efteling at 10:30 in the morning. You can enter the parks the entire day with all hotels, and the perks at Beekse Bergen and Efteling are also available for you on day 1. So it's up to you and how much time you want to stay at your hotel room. We loved the pool most at Van der Valk. It was on the top level with a great view. You could really swim in there. There was no hot tub, but there was a steam room and a sauna. At Beekse Bergen it was more child orientated and the pool was very busy. It will keep your children entertained, but us not as much. The pool at Efteling is at Bosrijk. This is a 20-minute walk from the hotel and also very small and more orientated toward children. And now the banger. What did we pay per night? The Efteling Hotel is between 300 and 400 euros a night for a regular room for 2 people. This is including admission to the park during your entire stay. The Beekse Bergen is a little bit cheaper and charges between 250 and 350 euro a night for 2 people. This hotel also gives admission to the park and other attractions during the length of your stay. The independent hotel adds a dinner for 42,50 euro if you book a room with an Efteling ticket. If we deduct this dinner, the room costs 200 to 300 euros a night for 2 people, including 1 Efteling day ticket. So what is the best option? We are going back to the Safari Park because it was awesome. We also loved the Efteling Hotel, but we are going to wait until the new Grand Hotel Efteling opens in 2024, because we suspect the rooms will be more comfortable. Van der Valk is really a good hotel, but we miss the perks of early access too much to come back here. The price is the best though, so if you can live without the perks and more time for transportation to the parks, this might be the way to go for you. So now you have all the facts. What option suits you best? Let us know down in the comments. We would love to hear from you. And if you watch this video until this point, you might like our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. See ya!